Hi, my name is Darragh. I'm a technical support engineer here at Simply NUC, and today we're going to look at how to install an expansion panel on a 4x4 NUC. So first things first, you want to make sure you are ESD safe with your ESD equipment. You have a Phillips head screwdriver on us. We have an expansion panel that we're going to install today, and of course we have our 4x4 NUC. So after that, we want to flip the unit upside down, and we want to unscrew the 4 screws in each corner. Now we've unscrewed the 4 corner screws, we can lift off the base plate like this and just rest it to the side. Be careful on this model because there is a SATA cable which is still attached to the board. So now I'll turn the unit around and you can see the blanking plate where the expansion panel would go. It's right here. And there are 2 screws that need to be undone. So now that we have those 2 screws out, the blanking plate will come out like that. You can just rest it to the side. So we want to take our expansion panel, in this case an audio panel, and we want to turn it upside down so that the lettering is facing the right way up when we turn the NUC the right way up. So we want to put it inside the board like this and just rest it against the hole that has been made where the blanking plate was. This can be a little bit tricky as the screws keep falling out. We want to screw in our panel like this. Now we have the panel screwed in. So what we want to do next then is take our USB 2.0 cable, make sure you tuck it underneath the SSD if you do have one installed, and you want to plug it into one of these 2 USB 2.0 headers. These could vary depending on the unit that you have. There we have it, it is now plugged in. So now you can replace the base plate on the unit and you can be on your merry way. And there we have it. We now have installed an expansion panel on our 4x4 NUC. Thank you very much.